Hey Rena, Happy New Year. Hope you're doing well. I saw you answered the bell ringer question in class today. So I know you were checking in. That's great. I am going to try to do a much better job of communicating with you. Oh, I got to fix the other side. Looking at it backwards. Communicating with you on assignments that are going in and things that we're working on each and every day. So keep working at it. Don't be afraid, like you did before, to email me and ask questions, and I'll do my best to keep helping you out. Um, so today was kind of like a big kind of catch up day and revisit some ideas coming back to class. We had a great break. We talked a little bit about that. We had new seats, so it took some time. I reviewed some expectations with our class. Look like this. Um, so those are some of the things that we went through in class, and we talked through them. We talked about what they look like. We cleaned out our binders. We got rid of assignments that we're not going to use any longer and we're moving on from. And then we didn't quite get to review standard of living, which is okay, or the project that we'll begin working on. And we'll start that tomorrow. So tomorrow what we'll do is I'll review with everybody this article that we read about Kakinya Natia. And then there's some questions that we'll go through. And the questions, like the assignment type questions, are going to be helpful to help us prepare for the project that we'll do that's related to standard of living in a place and how individuals can make a difference. At least that's the goal. So I'll create a video for you tomorrow about that, and I'll include the assignment in the classroom that we'll complete in class. I sent home a parent permission form for an app called Google Expeditions. I do that in my class, and Mrs. VK uses it in science class. And the permission form is really to have students bring in their phones and then download the app to use it. And it uses virtual reality and augmented reality. And since you're not like with us in class or here in class, I guess I don't need, your parents can decide if they want to do that. So I can include the form here. They can check out the app, Google Expeditions, which is a lot of fun. It's an interesting app. It uses virtual reality and augmented reality to show you things and bring you places to go on expeditions. And you can do that. We'll do that here coming in the next few weeks as we start to explore different parts of the world and different regions of the world. And Mrs. VK will use it. I think with the solar system. But anyways, it's interesting. It's good. I'll include that information for you so you can check it out if you wish. So that was that part right there. So that's what I have for news from today. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. See ya.